Hey Matt, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2018 Suburban Z71. Let me give you a shot of the engine compartment. This vehicle only has, well, it's got under 27,000 miles on it. I took it on trade against a 2020 3/4 ton. So it's in great condition. Give you a shot of the front left tire and wheel. It's got mud flaps, running boards, sunroof. This is the left rear tire and wheel. Rear park assist sensors, tow package, again Z71. This is the right rear tire and wheel. Front right tire and wheel. Not much time left on this video, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit. We've got leather heated seats, side bolster on the passenger seat, dual zone climate control, Bose sound, 2-position driver memory. It's got the color touchscreen radio, backup camera, all-weather floor mats. Moving to the second row, again all-weather floor mats. Seats back here don't look like they've even been sat in. They look really good. This vehicle is dirty right now. We just took it on trade, but it will be receiving a professional detail. It's got the power rear liftgate. Cargo area, very spacious, and also those back seats do fold flat. Second row and driver's seat bolster. 26,973 is the mileage.